All right. So the next best thing is selling a real asset. What is a real asset? A real asset is a physical thing that has value because of its property. So we're talking about metals, we're talking about real estate, land, machines, oil, um, anything that can be touched and felt and held is a real asset. The reason why this is the next best thing is because in order to sell a real asset, you have to first acquire it. Okay, and acquiring a real asset either takes a whole lot of work or it takes a little bit of money. So you're either going to buy the real asset or you're going to work to acquire it. Okay, tangible assets. Sell anything. Doesn't matter what it is, socks, purses, laptops, phones. I realized just how true this was when I visited California, the wholesale market there. And this is a picture of that market. It's called Santee Alley. I didn't know it at the time, but basically in this place you have people that are selling literally anything and everything. I mean, socks, t-shirts, jeans, shoes, purses, hats. I mean, you name it, it is there. And I thought it was a really cool place because I met a lot of independent fashion designers actually in LA. You know, imagine that. And so yeah, they weren't big names. They were just independent, designed their own jeans or whatever, and they would sell them there in the wholesale market. And it was a really cool experience, and I will never forget seeing just boxes and boxes of socks. I'll never forget that. Just tube socks, boxes and boxes and boxes of them being sold. So understand that a real asset is anything. You already own real assets. You already own socks. You already own shirts and shoes. You already own paper clips and pens and pencils. All those things are for sale. And Amazon.com is one of the biggest companies in the world that is really pioneering individuals being able to sell real assets online without a whole lot of work. At this point, what you can do is you can take an item, you can ship it to Amazon. Amazon will house it in their warehouse, and when someone purchases the item from their website, they will ship the item from their warehouse to the person, and they will send you a check. It's beautiful. I mean, anything, books, crayons, paper, calculators, anything you can imagine, you can sell it. And so that's what a real asset is. And of course, the idea is that you want to sell it for more than what you purchased it for, which means you have to try to purchase something for a low cost, which requires a little bit of work to do, but it is very, very possible. If you have any questions or if you want to know some of the ways that you can purchase some of these things cheaply, please let me know because I have a lot of information regarding this.